Garnica Plywood's factory in Valencia de Don Juan, León, Spain, started its production in 1996 and since then has not ceased to grow, improving and perfecting its production system to become one of the largest plywood factories in the sector and unequaled in the world of poplar plywood production. It has become the flagship of the group, thanks to the work of the highly qualified group of professionals who are committed to manufacturing quality products. Our factory is located in the geographic centre of the largest poplar wood basin in the Iberian Peninsula, the Duero Basin. The abundance of full sunlight and the proximity of the phreatic level to the surface make this ecosystem ideal for the cultivation of poplar in Europe, resulting in practically disease-free poplar logs due to the weather conditions of the region. Poplar cultivation with rigorous clone selection, adapted to weather conditions, deep root plantations that ensure hydric needs, and proper forestry treatments enable us to obtain a high-quality, sustainable wood. Garnica's log procurement process is completely integrated, from its commitment to improving local poplar cultivation, to the purchasing of logs and carrying out forestry activities, to maximizing yield out of the poplar plantation. The logs already graded and cut to the required lengths arrive at the mill for the plywood board that is going to be made. The factory has two different and specialized peeling lines or lathe, which are equipped with high technology. One peels thinner logs producing exclusively crossbands, and the other specializes in long-grain faces and cores. Both lines are designed to produce the best quality veneer, with high productivity and practically no production stops in the process. The sheet, still wet, is classified into grades. 4 dryers are in charge of extracting the humidity of the veneer from 120 to 6%. Each dryer is specialized in drying each type of veneer. Moisture meters and artificial vision systems classify the veneers into grades. Once the veneer is ready, it passes onto the assembly line where a 24-plate hot press that is capable of producing more than 200 meters cubed of plywood per day turns the glued veneers into plywood sheets. This line has been designed in-house by Garnica Plywood Group's technical team and has proven to be a significant step forward versus the older existing plywood production lines. The plywood face and back is then repaired with putty in order to achieve a face suitable to be covered with practically any overlay. In the final process, the board is trimmed, sanded, and quality controlled, resulting in a high-quality Garnica plywood board that is sold in more than 30 countries worldwide. We continue to grow, and by the end of 2015, a new press line will produce more than 300 meters cubed per day. Garnica Plywood Group's short-term plan is to increase the production of veneer by incorporating yet another peeling line and expanding more drying capacity. Garnica Plywood, leader in poplar plywood production.